Oh, is it recording? Oh, it is taking. Okay. Hi, science students. It's Mrs. Cruz.
Ms. Castorena.
So we are going to do the lab demo for you. Um, it's going to be broken up into 4 parts. You are going to be the recorder. So as we do our investigation and get the data from the temperature and the thermometer, um, you're going to be writing down the information right here. So don't worry if you can't see it just yet. We'll give you all the information that you need. But basically, as we go down with the times, you will be recording the temperature observations in each row. Okay? So, our first 2 ingredients that we're going to use are baking soda, vinegar. We have 50 milliliters of vinegar. It will be the same in every single cup. For our low cup, we have 1 gram of baking soda. Our medium cup has 2 grams of baking soda, and our
High cup
thank you.
has 3 grams.
Yes. So what will be happen is we'll dump in the vinegar. So let's do that now. Oh, hold on. We got to do them all.
We do them all. We're going to do them all at the same time.
And we have to get our first reading at 0 with just the vinegar. So we'll go ahead and set that up. Trying not to spill anything.
Exactly.
Okay.
They're heavy on the top.
They are. They're supposed to stay straight. We want to make sure we're not getting the temperature of the sides, right? Because the thermometer takes the temperature of its surroundings. But we don't care about the cup. We care about the liquid. So we're going to try to adjust this so it is only giving us the data that we want without breaking it. I broke a couple lids already. There we go. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn these on. Man, that one does not want to cooperate. Oh, these rubber bands.
The liquid is lower than anticipated.
Oh, is it? Well, that's a bummer. It's going to be even more top heavy.
Yep.
We're going to need a rubber band. All right. We are adjusting this right now. So you should be very prepared. If you don't have a writing utensil, you should get one now. So take a moment to do that. Otherwise, we are trying to
bear with us as we get this situated.
Make it work. Is it now? I don't know. There's mine. What are you touching? What's this one? Ooh, that one is. Okay. All right. So that one's good. So we have a temperature. Ooh, I wonder if they're all the same. That'd be strange if they weren't.
It would.
That one's a little springy. No. I want to turn it big.
Oh, it's on. We need it to be on Celsius.
Yes. Okay. Mine's on Celsius. What's that one? Celsius. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and remember we are working on this page. So go ahead and look at that first row where it says 0. And then notice as we go across, it says low, medium, high. On this first row where it says 0, under low, the temperature is 22.9 degrees Celsius. For medium, the temperature is 22.8 degrees Celsius.
And for high, it is 22.8.
Okay, so go ahead and write that down. And then we're going to go ahead and get started. So we just put it in and swish them?
Yep, we're just going to dump them in, and then we have to swish them the entire time to make sure that the baking soda is not just going to the bottom and not mixing in.
Yes. So we'll get these ready. This is going to be the hard part. Now, do you think I should start the timer as soon as we dump them in?
Yes.
Or after we do a swish? I say probably as soon as we dump them in.
As soon as we dump them in, we'll start that timer.
Okay, so
here we go. Just go for it.
Oh, here we go. And go.
Woo!
Can you guys hear that? Oh, they can't see it.
It's kind of hard to
Oh,
see.
I just dropped some. Oh, you can see hers.
Yeah, you can
It
kind of
is,
see, right? But it's fizzing
man.
up because it's obviously baking soda and vinegar.
Oh, and you can't see, and there's little sparklies. We better not lose anything. So here we go.
Here
The
we go.
timer did not start.
That's okay, then we're starting when we swish.
There
You
we go.
guys, we have to be flexible.
Swish. That's right. That was really cool. I'm sorry you guys missed that. But I know some of the people in my class haven't been able to handle investigations lately. Not everyone, but a few. That makes it hard. So there's a lot of chemicals in this one. We have to do certain disposal. Yeah. So here we go. We're at 20 seconds, 22 seconds. So in about 7 seconds, we are going to take our first reading. So be ready on that second row. So here we go. And the low, 21.4.
Medium, 19.5, and high is 18.
Okay. Our next temperature will be at 1 minute. So we're about 20 seconds away.
Make sure you guys are recording. We don't have enough hands. We can't do it. We can't do both.
That's right. I wonder if you think my hand right there is affecting the
I don't
temperature?
know. I don't think so. I think the probe is at the very bottom.
3, 2, 1. 21.4 degrees Celsius.
Medium is 19.5 and high is 18.
Just a reminder, that was at 1.0 because that was at 1 minute. So your next reading is going to be at 1.5 because we are almost to a minute and a half. We got about 20 seconds. So be ready to write in the next row 1.0 for the time. Or excuse me, 1.5. Okay, in 2, 1. Low is 21.5 degrees Celsius.
Medium is still 19.5 and high is 18 degrees Celsius.
Okay. So write that down. Later, if you need to replay this video,
you can.
You can. Okay.
It's a video.
So magic of television. We were born before television. Just kidding. We're not that old. We got about 8 seconds until we're at 2 minutes. That's going to be 2.0 on your chart. So 1, and here we go. Low is 21.6 degrees Celsius.
Medium 19.6 and high is 18.
Okay. So to be prepared for the next one, we're going to be at 2.5 because that will be 2.5 minutes. We're about 20 seconds away. You hear anything on yours still?
The high is still fizzing. The medium is a little bit, but not.
I'm going to break you up really quick. At 2.5, low is 21.6 degrees Celsius.
Medium 19.6 and high is 18.1. We have some movement.
I still have a little bit of fizz in the low that I can hear.
Just a little bit in the medium and a good amount in the high.
Okay, so be ready for the next one is 3.0. We are about 7 seconds away.
That was fast.
Let's go fast. Sure it's recording?
Hopefully.
Oh, 3.0. The low is at 21.7 degrees Celsius.
Medium is 19.7 and high is at 18.3 now.
Again, if you didn't get all those, you can always replay the video. So the next one we're going to be at is at 3.5 minutes. So on your chart, it says 3.5. So be ready in about 8 seconds. Okay, the low at 3.5 is 21.8 degrees Celsius.
Medium is 19.8 and high is 18.3.
Has anything changed?
Not a whole lot.
Okay, just checking.
Not a whole lot of change.
Okay, so the next one's going to be at 4 minutes, which is 4.0 on your chart. So get ready in about 10 seconds. I'll be thinking, I wonder if these are good ingredients to use in our flameless heaters. That's kind of the point of all of this and testing each of these individually. So here we go in about 1 second. Low is 21.8.
Medium 19.9 and high is 18.4.
Okay, we only have 2 readings left. We're going to be at 4.5 minutes in just a moment, so make sure you go to 4.5. Yeah, I don't hear anything in this one.
Just a tiny bit in the high.
All right, so in about 5 seconds, we're going to take our measurement at 4.5. So here we go. The low is 21.9 degrees Celsius.
Medium 19.9 and high is 18.5.
Now, why do you think we have to keep swirling it the whole time again?
I think it's so that way everything we're making sure it's getting mixed. It's well mixed.
Okay. Kind of like we're making reactions happen.
Yeah, making sure that reaction's happening.
And it's fun.
It's so fun.
All right, last reading. It's going to be 5 minutes, which is 5.0 on your chart. So here we go. Last one. Low, 21.9 degrees Celsius.
Here we go. Medium is at 20.0 and high is at 18.6.
All right. So again, if you did not get all of that data in the chart, go ahead and replay the video. We will also post this later to make sure you did yours, and you can check your data at a later time. Thank you. All right. Join us for the next one in just a moment.